Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about group by basic introduction. How the group by is framing from spreadsheet to database, how we are reading the data, and how it is moving to like a category wise grouping, and from there how we are going to implementing aggregate functions. We will see here with the group by. A basic SQL statement with group by is here like a fruits category is there. Apple fruit is there, orange, banana. Three category of fruit with the duplicate values on each every category. And apple, there is a two type of apples are there, whereas orange and banana, which is respectively following. How to handle such a duplicate row in database? It's a very simple technique using with the help of on preparing an SQL select statement using the group by clause to filter group by segregation. See, now this is the actual data which is framing here, and it is the segregating once we are going to using group by statement. Now see here, it is grouped by apple. It is the segregated by apple here, where the apple only will comes in the one group, and orange will comes in the one group, and banana will comes in the another group. Like 11, 8, it will be segregated data in itself. Like while executing the query, data will be segregated on category wise, where we have mentioned in the group by category of the column. Likewise, it will be segregated as in a small chunks of data. And from there, if we, in addition to written any aggregate function over there, like a sum or count, see here it's displaying. If we applied a sum, the result set would be like this. In apple category, it is an 18, orange it is an 29, and banana it is an 19. Similarly, the sum what it will do is the total. What is the sum means? That column total value it will be give us as an output in the output parameter value is a sum it will do. It's an aggregate function. It's a built-in and predefined function which is readily available in PostgreSQL as well other SQL support databases also. And whereas count will give us a number of rows which are involving in that particular category once we applied in group by statement. Now see here, it's a representation. It's showing the total of the values, whereas aggregate function it's showing count of the number of rows which are there in apple category and orange as well as banana. Now see here, the basic aggregate function with the syntax it would be like a select column aggregate function and like a table group by with the column statement. And group by clause must be appear in the right after the from or where clause which is available in the SQL statement. Select column 1 and aggregate column from table where column not equal to apple group by category. Once we are filtering the category, we can also using to operators like equal to, not equal to. This is the means. The last statement which is the means that particular category which is not equal to apple, that only that category only will be calculated and performing of the query execution, and the result should be throughout is in my statement requirement. That is my statement over here. All right, likewise we can implement. I hope you understand about basic. In next session we will see how to execute and run group by statements. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.